Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to take you through how to save file as a SVG in Photoshop. So you can see I have my Photoshop open with this my file here. So now let's say I want to save this file. So let's say when I go to export as. So you can see right on my export window now, if I click on the drop down, I only have three options, which is PNG, JPEG, JPEG, JPG, and GIF. So I don't have the option here to save this as SVG. So I want to make this so I can save it in SVG format. So I'm going to close this. So there are so many ways to do it. So the only way that I do it that works for me 100%, that I think may also work for you 100%, is you click on edit. So you click on edit. Now, if you look at the drop down menu, at the last end, you see the preferences at the down. The preferences at the down. So on the preferences, if you go to export, so on the preferences, you go to export. On the next drop down that comes. So on this menu, you are going to use legacy export as. Use legacy export as. So you are going to make sure this is checked. You are going to make sure this is checked on. After that, then you click on OK. Then now I'm going to export this file again. So I'm also going to click on File. Now export as. So I'm going to wait for the export pin to pop up. Okay, let's go again. Okay, so this is taking longer than expected. So okay. Okay, so you can see now, let me click on the drop down now. So now when I click on the drop down now, you can see now I have SVG here now. Initially I was having only PNG, JPG, and GIF. But now I have the SVG. So if I click on SVG, now the format changes to SVG, where I can export this as SVG onto my desktop. So this is how we export any Photoshop design as SVG from Photoshop. So if this doesn't work for you, drop your comment so I also see. If you have any problem, don't also hesitate to drop your comments, so I may also find another way to also make a video on it for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys.